Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super different than what I normally do. I am taking my iPad Pro and I'm going to be testing out this Sensu brush. When I heard about it, I just thought I had to try it out. It's a stylus, but it's got bristles, so it acts like a watercolor brush. I like the weight of the stylus, and I'm just playing around with this. I want this to feel like watercolor, but obviously it's not going to because it's digitized, but still pretty fun to play with. I'm in the ProCreate app, and I'm just playing around with some of these settings, blurring and playing around with the color. For being digital, this is not too bad. It's actually pretty fun. So if I'm in a pinch, like on an airplane or something, I can pull this out and kind of get the same idea. Now in this app, the flow of the watercolor is a little bit different, so it kind of bleeds out like it is watercolor, which is kind of fun. I'll have the apps that I'm using linked down below. Playing with washes. Now this does not replace watercolor for me, but it is fun. And if I'm ever in a pinch, I could see myself using this, but for everyday use, I totally prefer my actual watercolor and paper. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more reviews, hit that thumbs up and leave a comment down below telling me what you want to see reviewed. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post a new calligraphy video every Monday and a new watercolor video every Wednesday. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!